Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm making a toy version of my car. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. Well, I just stopped for a second and realized that I had kind of screwed up a bit because I left the windshield portion and the back window portion of this intact. But luckily it's the right kind of screw up where you can just cut more off and you're back to where it needs to go. I wanted the middle section of the interior to be a bit thinner, so I planed down one of the boards. This section will also have a spot for the armrest up front, but the back seats look the same. So the eagle-eye viewers out there would have noticed that there's a bit of space here where the wheel well and the trunk interact. And what I've done is I've cut a little bit of scrap wood, shaped it a little bit, and I'll be gluing it in there. And just like the real car, the trunk's gonna have little wheel well bits that get in the way anytime you try and put something in there. Well, first update on the car, it didn't quite live that long. It's one day before the roof racks popped off. I'd originally only used super glue and now switched it out to some Type Bond. Hopefully that holds a little longer. This is a simple jig I put together to add a tread look to the tires. There are 2 opposing holes drilled on a 45-degree angle. I place a small bit of dowel in one of the holes, and then I place 1/2 of the wheel and cut just a little bit using my bandsaw. I repeat for the other side of the wheel with the dowel facing in the other direction. That's a present for your birthday for your 3 years old. Open it up.
I'm bored. Car.
Yeah, what kind of car is it? What's it look like? Does it look like Mommy's car?
It does.
I hope you enjoyed that video where I made this toy car for my son. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd like to give a big shout out to Jolene Brebels. She has a YouTube channel where she makes lots of different types of cars, and I've picked up lots of tips and tricks from her, as well as inspiration for this build. I'll leave a link to her channel in the description below. I'd also like to note that this is my entry into the Because We Make Podcasts Unwrap a Project Challenge, and I'll leave all the info for that in the description below as well. Until next time, cheers, and have a great day.